Samsung is completely rewriting its product playbook. The premium tablet market is experiencing a massive paradigm shift, and the device behind it is none other than the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. Following a series of massive firmware test server leaks alongside recent database teardowns of the AI core application, the veil of secrecy has officially dropped. Samsung is executing a radical structural shift by completely abandoning the standard entry-level 11-inch model to position the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus as the ultimate powerhouse for high-end consumers, professionals, and creators. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we give you the raw, unhyped truth about the world's most advanced hardware. In this exclusive breakdown, we are uncovering the verified architecture, the new silicon powerhouse driving this device, and a historic battery upgrade that changes everything. If you want to understand exactly why your current mobile workspace is about to look obsolete, listen closely. Because the architectural choices Samsung is making this year will completely change how you work and create. To understand why this device is causing such a massive stir in the tech community, we first have to look at how Samsung is changing its entire product lineup strategy. For years, the Android tablet landscape was defined by three distinct choices: a base model, a mid-tier Plus variant, and an oversized Ultra model. But according to recent IMEI database filings and firmware tracking servers, Samsung is entirely axing the small, entry-level 11-inch form factor. The base Galaxy Tab S12 does not exist in any internal manufacturing registries. Instead, the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, under the official model number SMX846, is stepping up as the new entry point into Samsung's premium ecosystem. This is a brilliant strategic business maneuver. As smartphones push past 6.5 inches, compact tablets are losing their identity. By shifting the baseline up to the 12.4-inch Plus tier, Samsung is sending a definitive, clear message. This is no longer a media consumption toy. It is a serious, uncompromising laptop alternative. The absolute crown jewel of this re-engineered machine is the architecture driving the display. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus features a breathtaking 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, boasting a crisp resolution of 2800 by 1752 pixels. But the real breakthrough lies in the underlying panel engineering. Leaks from the supply chain confirm that Samsung is employing a new ultra-refined emission layer material set that skyrockets peak outdoor brightness up to an astonishing 1600 nits. Combined with a variable 120 Hz refresh rate and absolute HDR10 Plus mastery, this screen is meticulously calibrated to meet the exact color accuracy demands of professional digital artists, videographers, and CAD engineers working under harsh, direct ambient lighting conditions. But a beautiful canvas is utterly useless without raw, sustained horsepower behind it. And this is where the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus delivers its most polarizing and fascinating upgrade. For generations, power users have demanded Qualcomm Snapdragon Silicon in their high-end hardware. However, a series of definitive APK teardowns of Samsung's official AI core software has revealed references to a chip labeled MT69993. For the hardware purists out there, that exact model code translates directly to MediaTek's absolute crown jewel, the flagship Dimensity 9500 processor. Before you let out a sigh of disappointment, you need to understand the architectural reality of this silicon. The Dimensity 9500 is built on TSMC's state-of-the-art second-generation 3-nanometer node. More importantly, it completely abandons traditional efficiency cores in favor of an all-big-core design topology. We are talking about a relentless cluster of ultra-high-performance Cortex-X and Cortex-A processing cores working in absolute tandem. Furthermore, this shift to MediaTek isn't just about raw processing performance. It is a calculated play for absolute AI dominance. The custom neural processing unit integrated inside the Dimensity 9500 is specifically designed to run ultra-complex large language models entirely on-device, boasting blistering token-per-second execution speeds. This architecture unlocks an entirely new layer of local Galaxy AI capabilities. We are moving far beyond basic text summaries and cloud-dependent image editing. We are looking at a machine that can genuinely sustain a grueling 10 to 12-hour workday of heavy professional productivity, liberating you from the constant anxiety of searching for an available AC outlet. And when you do finally need to top things off, Samsung's verified 45-watt wired fast charging protocol is on board to rapidly replenish that massive cell via the high-bandwidth USB Type-C port. The physical chassis of the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is a masterclass in premium industrial design. It retains an incredibly svelte profile carved out of reinforced armor aluminum, giving it exceptional rigidity and flex resistance while keeping the weight comfortably manageable for extended handheld use. It also carries full IP68 water and dust resistance certification, meaning it can easily survive an accidental spill or a sudden downpour during an outdoor workflow. The audio experience is driven by an advanced quad speaker array meticulously tuned by AKG and fully optimized for Dolby Atmos audio, providing incredible spatial separation, whether you are mixing audio tracks or relaxing with a cinematic movie. For the professional workforce, the software execution is what will truly bridge the gap between a standard mobile device and a true desktop replacement. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus will ship with a heavily optimized iteration of Samsung's One UI ecosystem built on top of Android. The centerpiece here is the newly overhauled Samsung DeX environment. DeX now mirrors a full desktop operating system with unparalleled precision, offering advanced window snapping mechanics, full external display layout preservation, and seamless support for complex keyboard and mouse macro inputs. When you snap the tablet into its optional keyboard folio cover, it transforms instantly into an incredibly formidable, lightweight workstation capable of running desktop-class browser extensions, massive spreadsheets, and split-screen coding environments all simultaneously without a single hint of system stutter. So, when can you actually get your hands on this engineering marvel, and how much is it going to cost? Historically, Samsung follows a reliable premium release cadence. Internal production timelines and component supply orders heavily point to an official global unveiling at an upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, with retail availability slated for September. Given that Samsung has completely removed the lower-cost base model and loaded the Plus variant with hyper-premium 3-nanometer silicon, improved high-night display tech, and an expanded 12 gigabytes of baseline unified RAM, the entry price is expected to settle right around the $899 to $949 mark for the base 256 gigabyte storage configuration. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is clearly aiming to draw a line in the sand and force a total reevaluation of what a premium tablet can achieve. If you are tired of mobile operating systems that treat you like a casual consumer rather than a serious professional, this might be the exact hardware upgrade you have been waiting for. But now, we want to hear from you. What are your honest thoughts on Samsung completely phasing out the smaller base model? Does the switch to the ultra-high-end MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip meet your professional performance standards, or were you hoping for Snapdragon Silicon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found this analytical breakdown valuable, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the TapTech channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another exclusive hype-free hardware deep dive.